How to remove Snapchat filters from a photo. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to remove a filter you applied to a photo and get that original snap back. There's actually a super simple way to remove a filter before you even save the photo. So to remove Snapchat filters from a photo, first, open the Snapchat app. Go to your recent snaps. Tap on the photo with the filter you want to remove. Notice the three dots at the top right corner? Tap on it. You'll see a menu pop up. Look for the option that says Edit Snap. Across the bottom of your screen, you'll see a row of filters. Swipe all the way to the left until you see the option with no filter or in blank icon. Tap on it, and your original photo will be back in all its glory. Now you can save the photo without the filter by tapping the export icon. Then go to the download icon and tap on it. And this is how to remove Snapchat filters from a photo. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully removed Snapchat filters from your photo. If you have any questions about remove Snapchat filters from a photo, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.